cook another recipe for the iron skillet. It's getting ready to storm here. We got our iron skillet greased up, and I spilled some already. We got purple cabbage. That pizza we made last night in that iron skillet was just like we went to Domino's and ate it, or Pizza Hut. That crust was perfect. You got to make that. Okay, we got some purple cabbage. We got it rinsed. Our skillet's still getting hot. Okay, let's start this cabbage. Sorry about that. I had to run my hand up under the water, warm water, to keep my hands from froze off. I mean, they're froze off from this cabbage. Pepper. Minced onions. And we're going to fry put some bacon grease in here later on. For this recipe, you're going to need some cabbage, garlic, onions, peppers, tomatoes, carrots, bone broth, rotel, hamburger, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, black pepper, and cooking bacon grease. I'm cooking my hamburger in the microwave in bacon grease. We got 6 cups of bone broth frozen from when I make meals. I just freeze stuff, leftovers from the beef, the chicken, whatever. And that's how I freeze my leftover beef broth, my roast, my chicken. There is always leftovers. So I always make my own beef broth and bone broth. So I've got 6 cups in there right now. Yeah, when you use the Instant Pot, you always got broth left. So whatever you make in that Instant Pot, and you got all that broth left, freeze it. You don't have to buy it from the store. Freeze it. 1 can of carrots. I drained the water out. We got some onions that needs to be used up, so we're going to put them in the bone broth. Yeah, I freeze every bit of my Instant Pot broth. Every bit of it. I've got freezers full of it. I never have to buy it. Let's add some garlic to the cabbage. Add however much you want. Okay. We got our green peppers. Going to start frying them now in here. Bacon grease. That bacon grease smells so good. Okay, if you don't got rotel, you can use chopped tomatoes, chili peppers, and salt. That's all rotel is. I don't got no rotel, so I'm using 1 can of diced tomatoes. I thought I had some, but I don't. Okay, let's get our hamburger that was in the microwave in bacon grease. Pour it all in here. Chop it up. Little as you can. Okay, we're going to put some minced garlic in here. Well, we will if I could open it. We only need 1 teaspoon, that's it. No more. Two teaspoons of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of celery seed. 1 teaspoon celery seed. And you can add celery salt to this if you got it. Now, you can add cayenne pepper to this, since you ain't got the rotel, if you ain't got it. And all you need is 1/8 of a teaspoon, that's it. Cayenne pepper, that's it. If you ain't got the rotel. Okay, we're going to add this to this. Pull this off the burner. Oh shit, I dropped it. Okay. Let me see if I can put this down there. Okay, put this over here. Pick this back up, put it over here. Turn this burner off. Okay, we're going to get a spoon and taste this. Okay, we got something to put it in. Now, this needs to be in this pot too. When it Okay, let's taste this. That is good. You need to make this. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Share this with your friends and family. Cabbage stew. I hope you like it. Push the subscribe button if you ain't already. Push the thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And share it with your friends and family. Thank you all. And you've got to make that. Thanks.